Artificial intelligence is actually taking over the video creation or the content creation market right now. That's why if you do go online, you will be able to see a lot of talking head AI videos. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could create just that right now. So if you do take a look at my channel right here, if you're new to my channel, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out. You could also, guys, come right here and subscribe to the channel, and also make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. And guys, diving right ahead into the video of today right now, we're going to be utilizing this AI tool called Vidnoz.com. This is an amazing AI tool which you can actually go on to utilizing right here to create free AI videos in 1 minute right here. It is actually easy, fast, and 100% free AI video generation tool that you can actually use at no cost. You're not actually going to be needing to download any software, and you don't need any experience for this right here. As you can see, there are actually about 200 plus AI avatars, 470 plus realistic AI voices, and 300 plus AI templates. So you can actually go on to creating videos right here. You can sign up right here without actually utilizing a credit card detail. So if you just scroll through this homepage, guys, you'll be able to see much more details about this particular AI tool. But you can actually come right here, check out the features, and you can use this for AI avatars, video template. You can get custom AI avatars from this platform. It's a free AI tool which you can actually use for AI talking photo, AI text to speech, AI avatar generator, the background remover, the local vocal remover, and a lot more other stuff right here. As you can see, it can be used for explainer videos, training and development, e-learning, news, sales, marketing, communication, and support. You could also come right here to check out other pricing plans that are available for this particular platform, with the Vidnoz AI plan, the Flex plan, or the Face Swap plan. You could also check out other resources right here and the companies that are actually supporting this particular platform. So guys, basically it is easy to go on to signing up for an account. You just simply go on to doing that right now. I'm not going to show you how you could do that because it is quite easy. Once you do sign up, guys, you should be brought to a page such as this, and you can see a lot of cool and numerous avatars. By coming onto this avatar section, click on that, you'll be able to see the avatars available for this particular platform once this page loads up. And you could actually go on to adding your own avatar yourself right there. Maybe you can actually go on to inserting an image and using that image as an avatar for this particular platform. So basically, guys, if you intend on creating a video, all you need to do is to just simply come right here, click on create video. You can actually start creating your video from blank, or you could import a PowerPoint presentation file which you could actually convert into a video. But right now, guys, I'm going to create from blank right here. And if I want to create normal YouTube video, as you can see right here, which you are watching, you could just simply go into selecting the landscape. This is actually for portrait videos, like for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and these are actually for square videos. So if I select the 9:16, which is the portrait videos right now, I'm just going to select that right there, and it's going to go on to taking me to a page where I can actually go on to creating my video myself right now. So as you can see, guys, I'm being brought to this page. What I want to do right here is to go on to selecting the template. You can select any template of your choice. I'm just going to select a blank template right here. Once you do select the blank template, as you can see right here, you can see the avatar section, text, shape, background, sticker, video, images, and music. These are all sections where you can actually go on to getting some cool and amazing stuff. For the avatar section, you can use that to get avatars. You could actually go on to taking yourself a photo and convert that into an avatar. So basically, I'm just going to select one of the avatars, which you can see right here, because they are actually quite kind of numerous. I'm just going to select one out of them, and that avatar has actually been added to this particular section. I'm just going to reduce this particular section, or to reduce the height of my avatar right there, because I actually want to just simply put in something at the top. So you guys, you actually need to actually get a script that you want to just simply use for your video, and you can use platforms like ChatGPT for that. So right here, I actually asked ChatGPT to write an article on 5 different dog breeds right now, and you can see ChatGPT did a good job right here. So basically, guys, for the first dog, which is actually Shiba Inu, I'm just going to come right here, copy the script right here to that particular dog. Once I copy the script, I'm just going to come to this section. You can see right here in this section right now, you want to just simply paste the script right there, because that's what the AI is actually going to go on to saying. You can see right here this voice, which is Monica. That's what does the AI voice that this particular one is actually utilizing right now. You could go on to previewing AI voices by clicking on this play icon.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So guys, that is actually the preview of this voice. You can actually go on to checking out other voices right here based on your preference. Some voices are actually in the pro section, so just simply go on to selecting some right here, and once you do select that right there, you can actually increase the speed or reduce the speed. You could add in subtitle for your options right now. So right now at this top section, I want to just simply add an image showing the image of that particular dog right there, which I'm actually utilizing right now, or which I'm actually talking about. So I'm just going to come onto this search section and actually search for that particular dog right here. So if I do search for the dog right now, which is Shiba Inu, I'll be able to see some cool dog images. I'm just going to select one right now, and I'm just going to take this to this particular section. So basically what I'm doing right here is to actually go on to put in the dog at the top section right here, and I can actually go on to taking the dog to the backward right here, so that the AI presenter is actually going to be at the top. You could actually go on to selecting the background which you want to utilize right here, and you can actually go on to seeing a lot of backgrounds once this actually loads up right now. I'm just going to go on to selecting a very simple and cool background. So as not to waste much of our time, I'm just going to select one of the background which you can actually see right here on the screen. So if I just select this background right here, as you can see, that has actually been added, or I could just simply go on to changing the background to something like this right here. That has actually been added. You can actually add more scenes right here. Maybe you could add in blank scenes right now, and if you do add in blank scenes right here, you could duplicate this scene to actually go on to doing that, and go on to copying your script right here. For each scene, utilize a different dog breed, and actually go on to utilizing that right now to create your video. Once you're done, all you need to do is to preview the video, and you can then just simply generate the video. You can add in stuff like text, shape, background, stickers, videos, images, and music to that particular video which you're actually generating right here. It is quite cool right now, and if you do go on to generating that right there, you'll be able to see and get the video right now. As you can see, it's calculating the video duration, and it's going to give me that video in a matter of a minute right now. So guys, you're going to just simply see how cool the video actually is.
Tail and a confident demeanor, Shiba Inus are often described as bold, independent, and loyal. Despite their small size, they have a...
So basically guys, you can see how cool that video is. I'm just going to download the video right now, and downloading it, I can download in the 720 pixels. That is for a free account right here, but for the paid plan you can download in 1080 pixels. So right now guys, I'm just going to go on to uploading or opening that video for you to actually go on to seeing that quite better. I'm just going to make this bigger, and you can see how cool this actually is.
A straw. Originating from Japan, the Shiba Inu is a small and agile dog known for its spirited personality and fox-like appearance. With a curled tail and a confident demeanor, Shiba Inus are often described as bold, independent, and loyal.
So that's how cool and amazing this actually is, and I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.